I'm Janet Constantino, CEO of Massage Kneads, mobile chair provider in Maryland offering mobile chair massage to businesses. I wanted to talk about a question that people commonly ask, and it is something of interest to those scheduling for wellness programs with mobile chair massage. And they often ask how the chair is sanitized and what the processes involved between clients. So I did want to let you know the client has already left. The face cradle's in place, and what we do is we remove the face cradle and we do sanitize the entire chair. So everything is wiped down, fresh and clean between each client and ready to go. Now this is just a vinegar-based product, so there's no harsh chemical or anything to have any kind of allergy or anything related to the next client. So everything's wiped down properly. Takes about a minute or so, not even. And then a fresh new face cradle is put on, ready for the next client. So we hope to see you. Check us out online, www.corporatemassageneads.com. Thanks.